Part 10, 10 Useful English Idioms. 1. Banker's hours. Hindi, bahut kam kaam ke ghante. Explanation, working for a short or relaxed amount of time. Example, he works banker's hours and still earns well. 2. Bare bones. Hindi, sabse bunyadi roop. Explanation, only the most essential parts. Example, he gave us just the bare bones of the story. 3. Barking up the wrong tree. Hindi, galat vyakti ya cheez ko dos dena. Explanation, blaming or looking for something in the wrong place. Example, if you think I broke the vase, you're barking up the wrong tree. 4. Basket case. Hindi, puri tarah pareshan ya ashay vyakti. Explanation, someone who cannot cope and is very stressed. Example, after the long exam week, he was a basket case. 5. Batten down the hatches. Hindi, katin samay ke liye tayar hona. Explanation, to prepare yourself for trouble. Example, with exams coming, it's time to batten down the hatches. 6. Be a far cry from something. The Hindi, kisi cheez se bahut alag hona. Explanation, very different from something else. Example, his new work is a far cry from his earlier style. 7. Be a foil to someone. Tulna mein kisi ki khubiyan dikhane, a person who highlights another's qualities through contrast. Example, his calm nature is a foil to his brother's anger. 8. A recipe for disaster. Hindi, musibat bulane wala kam. Explanation, something sure to create problems. Example, ignoring safety rules is a recipe for disaster. 9. Be all ears. Hindi, dhyan se sunne ko tayar hona. To listen very carefully. Example, when she began the story, the children were all ears. 10. Be all fingers and thumbs. Bahut anadi ya asavdhan. Very clumsy and making mistakes while handling things. Example, I was all fingers and thumbs while wrapping the gift.